Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Myntri ka Sohra jela uba polling do habakran shkila thai kubor ulaong ba Jingjia ka Kynhun Myntri mendasni ka khatlai tarik jeli arja arpasan kila Kynmaw ru ban ai kublei gitu kinung Ïarap ban wat nadu baja uraja bat ka sunam Sohra kibratri shitom hadu ban da yokem ya ka sunam ba ki samwet kibranti ban penyapi uraja ulit huru ba ka Kynhun Myntri kala penpau ka jing snolem ru yaki arspa khat khandai ngot kibla khlat na ka jing hab ka lingsun ha amedabat gujarat Bagantop di kibashong ha kalingsun, badi gitu ki samla puli doktor ki bara khlat na jing hab kate kalingsun ha ka jaka puli chongki.
To formally acknowledge with gratitude the role played by various agencies, government departments, and especially the role played by the police department in handling the tragic case which occurred at Sohra, where there was loss of life of one tourist. The cabinet acknowledged with heartfelt gratitude the role of all stakeholders, especially those who were part of the rescue team, which trekked and stationed themselves at Sohra for the past 15 days or so. The cabinet will also formally meet officers like the DGP and her team from the East Hills Police in order to formally pay respect and acknowledge the role that they have played in cracking the case. As far as the rescue team is concerned, I had personally met them at Sohra day before yesterday, where we had also given them cash incentives of rupees 15,000 per volunteer, along with certificates. The cabinet also today condoled the loss of about 290 lives in the Air India crash at Ahmedabad. We pay a tribute to all those who lost their lives, and that includes passengers on board as well as students of the medical college on which the aircraft had landed.